Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you a new video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix your Oculus Quest 2 controller not working problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply step into our video. So the frequent reason why you have encountered that kind of problem is sometimes let's say the controller that we are using. So we will have to make sure whether our battery here in our controller is fully charged or not, or placed right or not. That is the very first reason you'll have to make sure of. So if you go take your controller, and if you see this little, there will be in the side, there will be an arrow icon over here. I cannot show you properly, but this side. So once you see that, you will simply just tap and swipe down. You will have just swipe down this one. Once you do that, this will simply open up this part of your controller, which will show you the battery placement. So what you can do is you can simply make sure and remove it once, and again enter it over here, and then you can again just simply cover it up and make sure that your battery is charged. Simply cover it up like that, and afterwards what you can do is you can see all of the buttons of your controller over here. So what you will have to do is, the other thing is, you'll just try to use them and try to use each of the buttons and see if this particular white light lightens up or not, because if it does not, that means the battery is not charged and something is just not working, not right within the controller. You gotta go. So if there's any of these, since you think that you have charged the battery properly, it's not working, try to replace the battery. If that's not the case as well, if the controller is still not working, try to go to a shop where they fix the Oculus devices. You will have to go where you have purchased as well. You will just go and ask them. They will simply check it out while opening it up totally. So this is a solution for you guys I can suggest, and please do make sure to try the first step as I have mentioned over here. You will simply be able to fix your problem like that. If it's a bigger one, you will have to make sure to contact where you have purchased your Oculus Quest 2. So yes guys, this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.